Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about this union key. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for determined review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. Have you ever wondered if your crypto is really yours? Most people think that because they bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital assets, they fully own them. But the reality is very different. Their saying is crypto that has been around for years, not your keys and not your coins. Today, we're going to talk about why self-custody is becoming one of the biggest trends in Web3, why centralized platforms still pose risks, and how projects like UnionKey are trying to build a future where users, and not platforms, have true ownerships of their digital assets. The problem of the past few years, we've seen exchange freeze, withdrawals, accounts become inaccessible, and even entire crypto platform collapse. When your assets are stored on a centralized exchange, you're trusting someone else to protect them. That means your access can depend on a company policies, regulation, or even security incidents. And it's not just about losing access. Privacy has also become a growing concern. Many centralized services requires extensive identity verification, creating a massive database or personal information that can become targets for cyber attacks. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, phishing attacks and sophisticated scams are becoming more convincing than ever. This raises an important question. Is the current Web3 ecosystem really decentralized if most users still rely on centralized services? So why self-custody matters? Self-custody is much more than simply storing crypto offline. It's about controlling your own private keys. When you control your private keys, you control your assets. No middleman, no unnecessary dependence on third parties. No waiting for permission to access what belongs to you. This idea is actually what Web3 was originally built for, giving ownership back to users. As more digital assets, NFTs, and even real-world assets move onto blockchain, network secure self-custody is becoming increasingly important. Many experts believe that wallet of the future won't simply store assets. It will become your digital identity across Web3. So guys, why Union Key is different? This is where Union Key enters the conversation. So instead of positioning itself as just another hardware wallet, Union Key is building an entire decentralized Web3 ecosystem around users' ownership. The platform combines secure hardware, self-custody architecture, multi-chain support, and AI-powered features designed to simplify how people interact with Web3. One feature that stands out is its vision for AI-assisted interaction, helping users navigate blockchain ecosystem more efficiently while maintaining full control of their assets. Union Key also connects users with both centralized exchanges and decentralized applications, creating one gateway into the broader Web3 ecosystem. Another interesting aspect is its community-first approach. Rather than focusing only on investors, Union Key says the first 225,000 hardware wallet user will become the foundation of its ecosystem. This early participant can also gain access to ecosystem NFT designed not as speculative collectibles, but as long-term community membership and participation within the platform. The overall goal is simple: create a Web3 ecosystem where ownership, privacy, and community participation come first. So my personal thinking about this, guys, the conversation around self-custody is becoming more important every year. As Web3 grows, security and ownership shouldn't be optional. They should be the standard, whether it's Union Key or any other self-custody solution. It's always worth understanding how your assets are stored and who actually controls them. Because at the end of the day, Web3 was never just about making money. It was about giving ownership back to the people. If you'd like to learn more about Union Key, its vision for the future of decentralized ownership, I leave the official information in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think self-custody will becoming the future of crypto? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Why choose Union Key?
The era of relying on centralized exchanges and going through repeated registration and account binding is over. Union Key grants me true ownership of my digital assets, with everything under my transactions are simple and efficient, and AI manages my portfolio. No more worries about exchange collapses, hacker attacks, or personal privacy breaches. This is true Web3.
When I claim my Genesis as member NFT, I become a member of the platform. Union Key belongs to every user.